Hey you guys, Amber J from Best Bets Trades, just coming on to give you guys an update on how we made out today. And the Discord made a really awesome play today. So market opened, it was pretty bullish. So we had a bounce off the 200 EMA, which is this yellow line here. We pushed through this liquidity box right here in the middle. We map out our liquidities on the 30-minute chart, and we draw a vertical line at the 20 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and 8 o'clock, and we just take the wicks from the highs and the lows of each session, and we draw those as our liquidity box, and the previous high and low from the day before as well as liquidity. So we had a bounce off the 200. We broke up past this liquidity. We came up here, filled this fair value gap, had a pullback to the 21, and it basically consolidated here for a while until it broke out to the upside, and then it swept this liquidity. So we patiently waited in the Discord for this whole rip up, because once it swept this liquidity and it had a break of structure to the downside, because guys, that's what we're looking for, is a sweep of liquidity and a break of structure to the downside or a break of structure to the upside. In this case, as you can see, we broke structure to the downside at this candle here at 1140. We had a break of structure to the downside, and then it kind of pulled back a little bit and consolidated, but really what we're looking for is the pullback to fill the fair value gap up here as a lower high. And once it did that, I know that some people got in a little bit early at this pullback. It did kind of consolidate and chop, and then some people got stopped out right here above the liquidity box. But if you had your stop set at just above the high a day, and this pullback basically filled this fair value gap here and then reversed, and then it dropped down. So I know that Gundy in the Discord got in at this on the second candle, but it basically it dropped into the liquidity box again. I know some people never even got stopped out, but basically it went and it just dropped right here, and it tested the other side of this fair value gap on the like these lines are my 1 hour fair value gaps. So that is what the play was today, and if you wait patiently, it will pay. But you just have to be patient and wait for the liquidity sweep, the break of structure, the pullback, and then we get in for the downside or the upside depending on which way it's going. So from here, it is bearish. So we just look for bearish trades. The rest of the day, it kind of chopped around this liquidity box, but it never really broke out past the high of day, as you can see. And then once market reopened, it just kind of dropped again. So we'll see what happens come tomorrow, because tomorrow is a new day. But that really was the play that we were looking for. Again, we map out the liquidities. We have a break of structure, a liquidity sweep, a break of structure, and we're looking for the pullback into a fair value gap, and then we ride it down or ride it up depending on which way the structure broke. So that's it, guys. And then once the structure breaks the downside, you're looking for your bearish trades or entries for bearish trades. So that was the play of the day today, and tomorrow we'll have another play, but you just have to wait patiently for those setups, and majority of the time they pay out. So if you're interested in joining the Discord, we have a free nighttime channel that anyone can join and trade night times. So if you're someone who works during the day and want a trading community to be a part of, we do offer the nighttime channels, but I'm telling you the daytime on voice channel is where it's at. So I have a link for the description to the daytime channel, as well as a link to a subscription to the nighttime channel. And also too, we are trading funded trader accounts from Apex. So I will put on my link to the Apex account, because guys, they are doing a 71% off special, but a lot of times they have like an 80 or 90% special, and those are the ones when you want to get in and really capitalize and get those accounts going. They also have trade copiers as well, which is really awesome. So we're trading in here in funded accounts, not using our own capital, and we are banking in here every single day. So if you're interested, click on the links, and we'd love to have you. I hope you guys have a great evening, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.